twice. Be careful how you play life, it's not a roll of the dice. The world has more than what you see. First life's temporary, second time's for eternity. I don't care if you don't believe me, just wait and see what the end's gonna be. I already know, I'm very well informed. My mind's renewing and transformed. I've been reborn, not like I once was. I think before I act, I don't live just because I have purpose in my life. My purpose, the surface won't compress, the deep press. I compress my faults and my compress line. Please do not forget it. Focus on something behind. How dare you say you want her behind when you're showing you're behind? Don't you see the contradiction? Eventually they won't put pants on, just a very long shirt. My words are not fiction. They think they got it going on, but you fear another man without a gun in your hand. No weapon formed or forming will prevail. Not even hell can take down this wall I'm on. I won't fall off. Your mouth can't run to where your eyes are not red. You don't know what I just said. You can hit it only if you receive. Stop cutting yourself to bleed. What you just going to achieve? Do re mi fa sol la ti la so fa mi re do. That's all I gotta say. 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 It's stupid when they say they love this or that, but none of them are unified. They divide themselves one from another because of their own foolish pride. After pride, they will fall. After the summit, they plummet. Even if they don't lose it all, they lose their sanity along with vanity. Paying more for less is a scam. Don't deny the facts, don't clam into your shell. Allow my words to reach you, teach you, breathe you, bleed you, clean and clear like purified water, not just tapped and rebottled. Unlike anything else you've heard, this never had a role model. I follow you on Twitter, but in real life that's not the case. You spout so much nonsense, all of your words are a waste, your breath and
And no, I'm not clipping my nails.
Jesus, yet they read a horoscope daily.